know what it's Manali for Bromanga, Mr. Aubreaction. So we are back and back and back and back and back again. So we are back with Areece. Yo, I told you in Hippocratic that I'm gonna go on and on with Areece. So I'm back with Areece. The song was called Bravo. He was not alone. He was with Stogie fucking T. Yo man, I'm not ready for this one. So without any further blah 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 blah, let's go.
Fucking day, it's a brand new fucking day. The sky's no longer gray, it's a brighter day. I know that you hate that you changed on me. I know that you hate that you changed on me. The sky's no longer gray, it's a brighter day. I know that you hate that you changed on me. I know that you hate that you changed on me. Pressure you, but you fucking with a professional. I'm like years ahead of you. I don't see these niggas like a priest at confessionals. I'm just trying to be a.
Is there something about priest and confession? Let's go.
With a professional, I'm like years ahead of you. I don't see these niggas like a priest at confessionals. I'm just trying to be unforgettable.
I don't see these niggas like a priest. I'm confessional, like you know, like all those priests where we go and say, Father, forgive me, I've sinned. Where you like you're sitting in this side and there's like, I don't know if what kind of churches are those now, but it's those church where you just go and sit. You said, Father, I've sinned, forgive me, and then the pastor on there, the priest on the other side would like, talk my son, what did you do? And then all those things. I'm sure you know what I mean, but that was talking about like when I say, I see this, but the priest, I'm confession, like yeah, you get what I mean. That English is somehow, but you get what I mean.
Trying to bring me down, I ain't letting you. I'm writing this letter to the memorable, cause we will forever remember you. I represent the Jacaranda tree line avenue, where the women got a feline attitude and niggas share a hustler's attribute. I'm only talking back to you if it's about revenue. If you got a problem, we troubleshoot, we perfectly execute. I know that you hate, you changed, though me ain't nothing new.
That was Areece. That was Areece for sure. That was Areece. Let's go.
This sky's no longer gray, it's a brighter day. I know that you hate that you changed on me. I know that you hate that you changed on me. The sky's no longer gray, it's a brighter day. I know that you hate that you changed on me. I know that you hate that you changed on me. Look, this no country for old men. Most of them ghosts, sugar kills, candy coated nose, lost in the sauce. They call me Western, I'm the
sugar candy what?
Sugar kills, candy coated nose, lost in the sauce. They call me
sugar kills, candy, something like that. I don't know what he's talking about, but yeah.
Western, I'm the dark horse that never was bored. With every song Arthur shot the dog, Llewellyn Moss. You dying off screen, 1,000 tweets, toss of a coin. It's the gold and the Areece, Ram Locking horns. Like the movie when we do this shit.
It's the goat and Areece, round looking horns. It's the goat, greatest of all time. Now you say it's the goat, it's me, I'm the goat, né? And I'm with Areece, you know. And then when you think like maybe it's kind of like a line in that thing, and then he said locking horns. You know that goats have horns also, so he says it's the goat versus goat. In fact, it's the goat with the goat also. That was he saying. So Yeah, nice one, Stogie. Nice one, Stogie.
Holding the Areece, round looking horns, like a movie when we do this shit. Ethan and Joel, and for the kids that troll the streets and protein.
Ethan and Joel, I can move when I'm fucking this shit. Ethan and Joel, yo, man.
For the kids that troll the streets and protein like collagen. Might miss it the first listen, it sinks in a week. Yeah, got a ring to it when you get hit in your seat. Hey, bloody feet honor me, fucking Stogie T. When I'm gone, the kids will give it up to me. Bravo, bitch.
Nice one. Oh, come on. Yeah, that was Areece with Stogie T. Bravo. I love the track, man. I love the track. Beautiful track. I loved it, man. Like, it's beautiful. I don't have more to say, and I don't have to say this, but Stogie T took this one. Stogie T took this one. Like, I feel like I don't know if I can say body bag or something, but I feel like he mopped the floor with Areece. I'm going with the GT on this one. That's how rap is. That's how rap is, you know. When after the song, you just have to compare who was the better man. But I feel like Stogie took this one, and it's a beautiful song. Go and it's a mixtape, yeah? Go and listen to the mixtape, and then you'll tell me, man. Thank you very much for watching this reaction, and please, guys, subscribe on the bottom below. More are yet to come. Thank you very much. Aubreaction is out.